In today's video, I'm going to show you how we make up a waterproof slurry coat using two key ingredients, Flash Harry Hypercrete and clean Portland cement. And we apply these slurry coats using Hamilton's 120mm waterproofing brush. So let's get started. So when Hypercrete is mixed with Portland cement, it creates a slurry, which in turn dramatically improves adhesion and is a fantastic waterproofer. But we mix Hypercrete equally in volume. So 1 liter of Hypercrete mixed with 1 liter of clean Portland cement. One can make larger batches of the two, but remember it must be well stirred during the makeup process and during application. And remember, the pot life once mixed is only 5 hours. So the slurry coat can be used as a primer, and it dramatically improves adhesion and is a fantastic waterproofer. While on the subject of fantastic, if you want to apply a slurry coat onto large surface areas with ease, you don't have to look any further than Hamilton's Specialist 120mm waterproofing brush. It's got a nice high volume of bristle, which means high loading capacity. So applying a slurry coat onto large surface areas is going to be easy. Before applying a slurry coat, we always wet the surface with clean water, because by doing that we're improving the bonding between the old and new surfaces by preventing the dry substrate, which would be the brick, from absorbing water from the slurry too quickly, which could weaken the bond. So during the application of my slurry coat onto these cement stock bricks, I'm filling micro voids within the substrate. And you might say, Bernie, what is a micro void? Well, micro voids are tiny spaces within a substrate. So while you're painting, you are filling those micro voids, which in turn you're creating a stronger, more durable and water resistant layer. Okay, remember Hypercrete has to go onto a raw cementitious surface, whether it be a concrete slab or a raw plastered wall, or in this case I've scraped off a lot of loose paint on this outbuilding. It's a very rough wall, so I've scraped all the paint off. I'm pre-wetting my area that I want to treat with the slurry. Now the slurry, when used as a primer, it dramatically improves adhesion of acrylics. So my paint's going to key to this slurry mixture very well once dried and cured. But read manufacturer's instructions about application of Hypercrete. But it's always 2 coats, and once cured you can paint over it. I like to do a slurry coat before I lay tiles outside, say on a balcony, especially if I know water could get through to the bottom because there's a living area. So I always do a nice slurry coat before tiling. It's just a very good idea. The slurry coat can also be used in conjunction with the polypropylene membrane. This is this grey membrane. Don't use the white polyester one, otherwise you'll have problems. And you use this slurry coat with the membrane in areas where you feel movement may occur. Okay, let's take a look at the Specialist 120mm waterproofing brush. Well, it has high volume of natural blonde bristle blend, so in other words a high loading capacity. I love this little handle clip-on which the brush can rest on. And just take note, these brushes are built with robust materials to withstand rigorous use and cleaning, and these brushes maintain their effectiveness over time. I think admixtures play a crucial role in the building and construction industry, and applying them correctly is of utmost importance, because at the end of the day we want the perfect finish. Well, that's it from me, Bernie B and Hamiltons. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. We truly would appreciate it.